Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to use the application of RedNote on iPhone. You will go to RedNote app. As you see here, you will find this first page. Then if you want to go to settings, you will click in this sign of me. Here you will go to this sign. And then we click on settings. Here you will go to account settings or security, account security. You can set your password. You will verify these things here. As you see, you can turn off save login app for you, or you can turn on. You can find here your login device informations. Here in this window you will go to general settings if you want to change your language, if you want to turn on dark mode or to turn off. Here also you will find these signs you can turn on or turn off. As you see here, you will find notification settings. You will find all these notifications. You can control it like this. Then here you will go to privacy settings. You will find here privacy settings. You can manage all these privacy settings here. You will find also here clear cache. If you want to clear cache, you will click in this sign. You will find here contents preferences. As you see in this page, you can click like this, and then you can click here to save. Also, if you want to switch your account, you will switch it here. If you want to log out, you will log out in this sign. Here in this page you can go to edit your profile. You can change your name, your background photo, your gender. You can add your birth date, your location, job, education, bio. As you see, you can also here change your profile picture. You can click here upload new avatar and then we click here allow access to all photos, as you see, and you can choose any photo here on your gallery to add it to your profile. And then we click save, and that's all. As you see here, you can manage your account and you can use it in this way. You can also here see posts like this. You can interact with it, or you can comment here on this post. You can add it to your favorite in this sign. You can here click in this sign also. You can share it with your friends, or you can save it to your album, as you see. Also here on posts, you can translate the language of this Chinese to English. You will scrolling down until you find here translate, and you will click, so it will be translated for you, as you see, when you update your app on Play Store or App Store on iPhone. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching and your attention.